when I get to that dance. How can I shop when I get you for ass? Talk to the top about business again. Equal it out with the business again. I want some time like 2 sets of twins. Put it twins, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm coming at y'all with the chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm going to be doing a cute little eyeshadow look. I'm going to be doing a little bit of makeup therapy, and I'm also just going to be sitting down and let you guys know where I've been and what's been up with me and all that good stuff. So before we get into it, I do want to let you all know that this video is in partnership with Deck of Scarlet. Today I'm going to be using their Oracle palettes. If you are familiar with my channel, you've probably seen them quite a few times. However, if you are new, Deck of Scarlet is a monthly makeup subscription service in which every month you receive either a makeup kit or a makeup palette such as this one. So each makeup kit or palette is priced at $29.95, and they do offer free shipping, so you do get a lot of bang for your buck. And if you're skeptical about whether or not you'll like the products, they always allow you to preview the products before you receive them, and if you do not like a product, you can skip it for that month. And you can also cancel at any time, and all their products are cruelty free and made in the USA. So this is just really great for those out there who like to experiment when it comes to their makeup and who like to try new products. So you all definitely be sure to check the description box down below for more information for where you can purchase, and be sure to look out for a little coupon code while you're there. Okay, all right y'all, so I already have applied my foundation as well as my highlight, my contour, did my brows, all that. So we definitely just gonna focus on the eyes. So first things first, I do want to mention my head wrap is from my head wrap line KilahCrowns. If you guys are new here, I do have my own online business in which I sell head wraps. So y'all definitely be sure to check the description box down below for where you could purchase. Everything is handmade and everything is super unique, and I'm rocking the style Kiki. I did add a whole bunch of new styles recently, and I even added some solid colors. So yeah, you all definitely be sure to check out my website. KilahCrowns has been booming lately, which I'm super grateful for, especially since I haven't really been promoting it specifically on Instagram. I feel like I've just been MIA from Instagram, but surprisingly you guys have been supporting and showing love, which I am super appreciative for. For a minute I only had literally only like 5 styles available, and I just had to take a step back and figure out what I wanted to do. When I first started my business, honestly y'all, I wasn't making the head wraps myself. I was hand selecting my fabric, but I was getting it sewn by a seamstress. And after a while, I realized that that was really cutting into my profit. So I was just like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to invest in a sewing machine, and I'm going to learn how to sew these head wraps myself. So I'm taking this color called Sacred, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. But yeah, y'all, I was like, nope, I need to cut out the middleman so that I'm more in control. I don't want to have to wait on nobody. I want my quality to live up to my expectations. I don't want any mishaps. I don't want any miscommunications. Honestly, my business has kept me super busy, which is one of the reasons why I've been MIA. Like, I'm just like going hard trying to make these head wraps and fulfill these orders, because my business is my baby. Like, my business is my everything, and I take so much pride in my business, and I just want you guys to get the best quality, and I want to provide the best quality as well. But I can honestly say that being a girl boss, having my own business, has not been the easiest. I've learned so much, have been so many ups and downs, but I'm finally starting to get the hang of it. But that's one of the beautiful things about entrepreneurship, is the fact that you're always learning, you're always growing, and it's just a journey. Next, I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade called Sorceress and apply that to my outer corners. So I don't know if you all caught it, but I did post a video maybe a week ago or two, and it was all about why being a full-time influencer slash YouTuber is not sustainable. If you all saw it, shout out to you. But basically in that video I was just talking about why I did not want to be a full-time influencer, and in that video I basically just stated that being an influencer is not as easy as it looks, and the money is not consistent. Being an influencer is all about likes and views, and if you don't have that, you're not getting paid. And basically I didn't want to be so dependent on those things, so I got a 9-to-5. Ain't no shame in that. I'm a huge believer in multiple streams of income, so that is why I have been MIA. I'm really trying to get back into the swing of things and just create a routine and just really try to balance everything: YouTube, Instagram, running my own business, as well as making sure, you know, I'm doing what I need to do at work. So yeah, that's kind of why I've been MIA. I'm just trying to readjust and get my life together basically, and I kind of had to put everything on the back burner just for a little bit, but your girl is back. As you can see, like, I feel motivated now. I want to create at least one video a week, and as well as post on Instagram frequently. And during the time that I have been away, I've been behind the scenes creating content, you know, just so I can be more consistent on all my platforms. So shout out to everybody that work a 9-to-5. There is no shame in that. At the end of the day, I always want YouTube to be a hobby, and if I get paid from it, that's cool. That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem. I'm actually going to take this color right here. It's called Trance. I'm just going to apply that to my outer corner. But to sum it all up, basically I just had to take a cool little creative break, a life break, get my personal life together before I could like be on social media acting like everything is all good and Gucci. I had to get into my bag, and I had to make sure that everything was in place and business was handled. But your girl is back, and I feel more creative. When you're not on Instagram and social media as much, you definitely are able to take a step back to get new ideas without seeing other outside sources. So yeah, definitely have a whole bunch of creative ideas that I'm really excited to share with you all. So you all definitely stay tuned. All right, next I'm gonna go in with this gold shade. It is called Fortune, and apply that to my eyelid, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger. And next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. These are by Kiss. All right, y'all, so my liner is on, and everything is starting to come together a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. All right, y'all, for my lip, I'm gonna be using this color called Cookie. I'm gonna be using this Bretman Rock Colourpop lip gloss in the color I See You. I See You. I see me too. We could do a little blush. We could go ahead and do that. I'm using this little e.l.f. palette. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and add some powder, bring this all together. Anyways, y'all, this is the final look, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I low-key did that. I always say I'm not a makeup artist, nothing like that, but your girl did what had to be done, and I'm really feeling this golden glam look. So yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. It helps so much. And in the comments down below, I'm curious to know, do you guys work a 9-to-5? Are you an entrepreneur? Do you have multiple streams of income? Do you have side hustles? I'm interested. Let me know down below. Let's chat. But anyways, thank you all as always for rocking with me and for watching and supporting. And I will see you all in the next one.